Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing one fine and in today's video I'll be showing you Figma how to make scrollable page horizontally. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to make scrollable page horizontally, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in figma.com, and once inside Figma, select the project you are working on. Then once selected, what you need to do is select the component that you want to make scrollable and then keep it horizontally right beside it like this. For example, it might be any of the photos or the documents that you want to keep in the app or anything that you want. And once that's done, what you need to do is select all the selected components and then drag it to the frame that you have created. Now, once that's done, what you need to do is drag the whole frame and then keep it in the frame that you want or which is finalized and make or adjust the position. And once that's done, what you need to do is select the prototype option from the top right. And now once that's done, here on the scroll behavior, what you need to do is select scroll with parent and then on the overflow select horizontal under scrolling. Then once that's done, select present button on the top right, and once you do that, the content should be scrolling horizontally by simply scrolling it to the horizontal side. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.